Everyone thought this little puppy would never recover from losing his family, until a hen changed his life forever. After becoming an orphan, the puppy was lonely and lost. Then he met La Gallina, a gentle hen who treated him like her own baby. Of course, the puppy was full of curiosity. He caused trouble, stole a few bites of fish, climbed onto a turtle's back for fun, and even challenged the parrot. But whenever things went wrong, he always ran back to the one friend who made him feel safe. As time passed, the puppy's heart began to heal. He became more caring and brave, helping lost ducklings return home and standing up to protect them from danger. Thanks to La Gallina's love, the once sad puppy became a joyful little dog. Their unusual friendship proved something beautiful. Kindness can heal any heart, and love has no boundaries.